telling you and you're lying. No, lying through your fucking teeth. Stop lying if you're coming for Obeah. Talk the truth. Because it's me how to tell the truth, Red. No matter how bitter it is, it's me how to tell the truth.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, and now we are trained.
Welcome one again, Unstoppable family. So for the persons who believe that Obeah exists real or it actually have real effects on humans, you may find this video interesting. But for the persons like myself who not really believe in them thing or believe it real like that, you may find it entertaining or amusing. Now, if you believe in Obeah so much and you actually spend your money with Obeah woman or Obeah man, when you go to them, tell them the truth. Because if you have that much faith or belief in them, you don't think them are going to know say a lie, you tell them. Anyway, people, watch, why, and listen why this mother woman a lash out for one of her customers.
Surely how people just feel they could trick me. Hi. This woman came and paid me for work. She said she want a man. Okay? So she came to me, she paid me for work, she said she want this man. I want you to pay attention closely to what is going on here. I'm going to show you an instruction. Nobody could fool me. I bring two candles together. This is what the candles look like. This is the man. Let me get another one. Oh God, I can't reach it too far. Oh Lord. Hey. I just find a candle that I fix here. I had to show you this. This is a Rasta man I do this work for. This man is a Rasta man. You know how to put in the ras. Well, you know, mother don't play. Mother give him some ras. Mother going to work on him soon. Right. So let's get back to this person here. My hand just touched this, so I had to show you this. So this is the candles, how it comes. The female here, the male here. So when you put two candles together, let's say the candles apart, the man and woman separate, and you start to do the work and you bring, hello honey, and you bring the two candles together, look what happens. This is what happens. The candles start burning together, very close together. Sometimes like in this work, they become one until they burn right out. Right? That is when they bring the man and woman back together. So this is how I know when people on shit. Hello pretty Barbie. Well, let's share the life. I want to show all they don't come to me with no stupidness. First things first is this is the male candle, piece of it. The arms of the candle fall away on the side here. So they didn't fall and hug this candle because all it was never together dread. Secondly, look where the woman is and look where the man is. These candles should have joined. This is a lesson here for me to teach you. And I'm sorry I took out all these little pieces here like this. All these little pieces like this. It literally forming words. To show you this person was never with this man. So you come to tell me, mother, he and I was together and we break up. You lie. You fucking lie. Obeah was never joined at no point. And look where the wax rolling. Away from you. Okay? The spirit of the wax showing me. It's rolling. It's not rolling. This should roll and come here and become one pool. Like it's doing here. This is making one pool. Look. You was never with this man. You lie, bitch. You lie. You're delusional. All it comes straight up. You want me to do a work for you? Come straight up. Mother, thing and thing. When she saw me the picture, I said, who is this man? She said, this is the man. I said, this is not the man, Red. She said, yes, this is the man. I said, okay, Doodoo, la. I watching this picture, I know you not with this man. She told me, no, this is the man. I said, okay, I put it on the work.
Here are some results.
Oh, God, listen, nobody not talking to you, Alexa. Say, always Alexa, you want to jump in every thing. You was never with the man. So what you had to do now was tell me, mother was never with the man. You understand? have done a different work before this to make the two of you meet on a level. You understand where I'm coming from? And I would have do something before this, before all this. This work is not for you, and I told the girl that. This is why I'm going like, I want you to see, I told you that. So now the lie manifests because I told you, that is not the man. You tell me, yes, that is the man. You send me the picture, I say, okay. I watch the man picture and laugh. I talk to certain people in my circle, I tell them she wasn't with that man, you know. But alright, now we put it down, I'm going and do the work because it stink. Alright, I come now, I put on the work, watch. You're not with the man, so you know what I have to do now? Do real work to bring the man to you now. Die more money, come with your money. You see, if you don't come with your money for your lie now, your money double. If you don't come with your money, I cancel fucking work and it has no refund because don't fucking lie. Because I know you're lying and it must manifest in the work. It must manifest in the work. Watch how the work separate. He there, you there. Watch this. They come, become one. Them become one. Them was a couple. You bring them back together, they become one. Look. You can't. You was never with the man, Dread. The man don't even know you. Look. The man rolling quite over here. He don't know you. You're lying, mother cunt. Stop and all the coming with all the lies, come straight. And if I tell you, I watch you in your face, I tell you, Dread, that is not your man. You're telling me yes, and you're arguing, and you want to make a back of life. Let's watch, and you're laughing. I say, all right, mother wrong. The spirit tell me don't doubt myself, no, I put it down. Watch now. You quite over there. The man quite over there. The man didn't even come in your direction. Now, if you talk the truth, mother would have opened the way to make the man come in direction. But you lie, Dread. So you go burn down to nothing now. And you see when this is done? You see when this is done? Come fucking money to fix it. Because I'm not playing with all on shit. I ain't staying long. I just come to let you know nobody could fool me. When Killer called me in the morning and he started crying and asked me to save the girl, I said, you going to scandalize me one day and disrespect me. He said, I will never do that, mother. I will never scandalize you. I will never do that. Look at Killer. Same thing I told you. This is not your man. You see? That was never your man. You don't even know the f***ing man. Nothing is wrong if you see a man picture and you like the man and you want the man. Once you have your money, bring your money. Mother go and make me that man. But don't come f***ing lie. What will happen? Gemini is she will have to spend f***ing money now. Because the price just double. And if you don't come with your money, fuck away was with you. I cancel everything for you. You see them now? Just now they happy like pie. Watch. They done become I'm going out with my phone. There's two separate people there that become one. And you, like a caca-hole. When you could be like that, you like f***ing that because you lie. Don't f***ing lie, bitch. Don't lie. Don't lie. F***ing lie, your mother cunt. Too stupid. Hate stupid people. Come straight and tell me. You saw your walking case for people that want to lie. Come straight and tell me, yes, mother, I commit the murder. Because you see, when I go down to do the work, I go see as you commit the murder. And I'll call you back and say, hey, you're here to make you win that case and you kill the people, you know. You have to go and appease the spirit that you kill boy first. You have to go and do a little offering by the water, that spirit that you kill. You have to give him exit to go his way because right now his spirit is in rot. And he going after you. So you gonna sit down in prison and you gonna have all kind of problems. Your case not going and be good for you. So let me get somewhere and go and do the right thing and appease the spirit. I kill you, I take your life. This is appeasing you. Sorry, whatever. Go away and let me get off my matter and win your case. So they will release you. People don't like to talk the truth. When you come here, Obeah woman, Obeah man, speak the truth. That is what it is about. You understand where I'm coming from? Don't bother to lie. Because you know what? Spirit of wax going to manifest itself into self and show me that you're a lying mother cunt right now. You lie, bitch. You lie. And I'm waiting for you. Ain't you want tax receipt? I'm waiting for you. Come with any shit for me. Or you cannot fool me. I ready, you know. I born fucking ready. You understand where I'm coming from? I born ready. This is why all of them say, mother, why are you so aggressive? Why? Because this is the kind of things I have have to go and deal with. I call out a spirit to work now, and the spirit come and showing me, hey, watch. That girl was never with that man, girl. You skip a step. You skip a step. And I know I skipping a step when I putting it down. And I'm telling you, and you're there lying. No, lying through your stop lying if you're coming for Obeah. Talk the truth. Because it's me, I had to tell the truth, Red. No matter how bitter it is, it's me, I had to tell the truth. So that I could fix it for you. If you come to me to fix it for you, it's me, I had to tell the truth for me to fix it for you. Don't bother to lie. What the fuck you lying for? Look at my table. People look. And people telling the truth, Dread. So why you out here lying, Dread? If you had to deal with spirit thing, come and be straight up. This is the scene. It doesn't turn out good for people who lying. On top of that, the spirit showing me here, you know, that you have some mental problems, you know, Dread. Check yourself, you know. You see all these letters that form in here? You mad, Dread. You fucking mad. All these letters that form in here? That is a kind of delusional madness you going through. So all that delusional now, you supposed to tell me, so my first candle for you supposed to be a head candle, Dread. Like this man here. So I will set your head straight. So when I done work your head like how I work in this rasta man head here. When I done work your head, you good to go. And after your head get proper, then now I could bring the man close here to all. They're going to be walking down there and just so props him, the man. You're going to party, just so props him, the man. You don't even know what hits you. Fucking time with the lies, Joel, if you come and tell me, a woman, just be honest and straight up and say, this is what I want to do. Look how you're out now, watch. Because you're lying, Dread, watch. Watch. You fall down on your own self there. What's going on here? You fall down on your own self there. Your self. You stupid mother cunt. Watch. Look, the man still up and lighting. Watch you. You self because you're dotish. Only have a good day. Have a good day. Thanks to all the people who log on. Only keep it logged on. Keep it logged on. Keep it logged on. I will show you the real thing when it comes to Obeah. Don't lie. Don't fake. Don't play. I show you now the real fucking thing. This is why I have to be aggressive. Because it has some out there. They come in with shit, Dread. Look at this shit. You waste my whole time, 3-4 days to do a work. Come twice with money to fix this. And if you don't come with the money, fuck away. I'm not playing with all it. Look at the man. Look at you. You're dribbling on yourself. You're sliding all your own in your fucking shit. You're wallowing in your sorrow. Watch. You're wallowing in your sorrow. You know why? You lie. You're lying mother cunt. Only have all yourself a wonderful day. Only I will come back and make drama again. In the meantime, she lying and wallowing and she sorry. Watch them. Them coming together as one. Just now that light go and make one. All you think all you know about me? Don't play with me, bitch. All you come straight because I know things. Mother knows she things. That is one thing I sure is a things. All you have all yourself a wonderful day.
Boy, I'm not going to tell no lie. Mother really upset. Woman, when did want the man, you should have tell mother the truth. Say, here what me see one man when me like in a mother, me no know him, him no know me, but me want him. You should have tell mother that. But see there, you get mother cross, angry and miserable right now. Watch out about people. Talk to me looking at the comment section. Make me know. I feel like that one is going to spark a nice, interesting conversation in the comment section. Me I go look for it. Do you or do you not believe Obeah exists? Talk to me down below. You can be honest. Make me know. In fact, if you have any Obeah stories, you understand, if you know of anybody who get Obeah or you get Obeah, share the story in the comment section. Make me see it. Zane, watch ya. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.